Are you looking for the best drone under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. UAV 809 4K HD Camera FPV Drone. The UAV 809 4K HD Camera FPV Drone is a professional and high-performance drone that offers an immersive flying experience and stunning aerial photography capabilities. This foldable 4-axis aircraft is equipped with advanced features and technology, making it suitable for both professional use and recreational purposes. One of the standout features of the UAV 809 drone is its 4K HD camera, which allows users to capture breathtaking aerial photos and videos in stunning clarity and detail. With its Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, capability, users can stream live video footage directly to their mobile devices, providing a real-time view of the drone's perspective. Number 2. K918 Max GPS RC Drone. The K918 Max GPS RC drone is a highly advanced and feature-rich drone that offers an exceptional flying experience and professional-grade aerial photography capabilities. This drone is equipped with cutting-edge technology and features to meet the demands of both hobbyists and professional photographers. One of the standout features of the K918 Max drone is its dual-camera system, which includes a 4K HD camera. This allows users to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. The drone's GPS functionality ensures precise positioning and enables features such as waypoint navigation and return-to-home functions. Number 3. S6S Mini GPS Drone. The S6S Mini GPS drone is a compact and feature-packed drone designed for aerial photography and recreational flying. This drone combines portability, advanced features, and high-quality imaging capabilities to provide an enjoyable and professional-grade flying experience. Equipped with a 4K camera, the S6S Mini GPS drone allows users to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos with impressive clarity and detail. The GPS functionality enables the drone to accurately determine its position and offers features such as Follow Me mode, allowing the drone to autonomously track and film a moving subject. Number 4. S136 4K GPS Drone. The S136 4K GPS drone is a professional-grade aerial photography drone that combines advanced features and cutting-edge technology to deliver an exceptional flying experience. This drone is specifically designed for those seeking high-quality aerial imagery and precise control over their flights. Featuring a dual-camera system with 4K HD resolution, the S136 GPS drone allows users to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos with remarkable clarity and detail. The drone's GPS functionality ensures precise positioning, enabling advanced features such as waypoint navigation, Follow Me mode, and automatic return home. Number 5. L500 Pro 4K GPS Drone. The L500 Pro 4K GPS drone is an advanced and rich quadcopter that offers a professional-level aerial photography experience. This drone comes equipped with cutting-edge technology and powerful features, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professional aerial photographers. With its 4K HD dual-camera system, the L500 Pro drone allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. The drone's GPS functionality ensures precise positioning and enables advanced features such as waypoint navigation and automatic return home.